In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix alignment in Canva. If you've ever worked on a presentation, infographic, or social media graphic and felt like something looked slightly off, alignment is usually the reason. Even strong designs can feel unpolished when text, images, or shapes are not lined up properly. The good news is that Canva gives you simple built-in tools to fix this quickly, so you do not have to keep nudging elements around and guessing. To get started, open Canva and go to your project from the homepage or the projects section on the left. Open the design you want to fix, then go to the File menu at the top. From there, open View Settings and turn on Show Rulers and Guides, then also enable Show Margins. This gives you a much clearer view of the structure of your page and helps you understand where elements should sit. These visual guides are especially helpful when you want a clean, balanced layout. Once those guides are visible, click on any text box, image, or shape you want to align. As you drag it around the canvas, Canva will show smart magenta guidelines. These appear automatically to help you line up the center or edges of the element with the rest of the design. Move slowly and watch for those guidelines to snap into place. This is one of the easiest ways to make sure a single element is centered or evenly positioned. If you need to fix several elements at the same time, click and drag over them to select them together. After that, look at the toolbar and click Position. This opens the alignment and arrangement options, making it easier to control multiple items without adjusting each one manually. Inside that panel, go to the Arrange section and look for Tidy Up if your items have uneven spacing. Clicking Tidy Up will automatically distribute them more evenly, which is perfect for rows of icons, stacked text, or grouped images. You can also use options like center, left, or right to quickly align the selected elements based on the layout you want. Before you finish, do a quick visual check. Make sure your text sits comfortably within the margins and that your headline looks neat and easy to read. A clean alignment always makes the design feel more professional. When everything looks right, go to Share in the top right corner. Choose Download, select PNG if you want a sharp digital version, and then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. With rulers, margins, smart guides, and the position tools, Canva makes alignment much faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.